So today I will make something with this kit. See? Now I am taking a motor out. Motor are jointed from the wire. If you are not, please joint it. Now I will take this fan out. See, this kind of in my fan number 2. I will make my own fan of bottle like this. See, this will move and give you air. But not in today's video, in my next video. It means in fan number 2. So please like and subscribe my channel. I have 4 YouTube channels: Divyam Agarwal, Craft and More, Divyanshu Agarwal, and the last one, Magic Experts. In the comments, the link will be given. Now let's start. We will take the cell holder and put cells in it. Now I'll put this black wire in the motor because one wire is not jointed, one was. Oh, it's not. It's wow, still not coming properly. So I'll cut it from the wire cutter. As now I have cutted the wire with this wire cutter, you also cut it. Now I'll put this wire into the motor. Now both the wire red and black are connected from the motor. In my last video, in which I told you how to light a bulb, in that video I told you which is positive and which is negative. So now we'll connect these both wires to these cells. This is the cell holder. I am connecting it. The black one is connected now. Oh, some problem was happening. I'll fix the problem. I forgot to attach this fan to the motors. So now I have put in this wire and I am connecting it to here. Now see, the fan is moving. if I keep it on top of my head, you see this voice? The motor is moving so fast. With that, the fan also moves. It's moving now. So I wanted to show you that. Bye.